Welcome, dear friends. Today I'm going to be making a t-shirt that I'm going to be adding on my website and on my Etsy, and this is going to be with a design that I made for Halloween. I'm going to use the glow on the dark heat vinyl. I want to measure my shirt because I want my design to be from here till somewhere here, and then like this. So I will say I wanted at least 7.5 inches. I will say 8. I will go 8 inches and then up to 9 inches. So maybe like 8. I'm gonna set up by 9, and whatever length I get, that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna cut the image and then we are going to apply it. Okay, so I have my design and my Cricut ready to be sent to the cut, and my design is going to be 9 by 9. So I'm going to get my glow in the dark vinyl. I have my vinyl. So I'm going to set it up, and I just cut it 9.25 because my design is 9. You can cut more if you want to. I think I should be safe with that. So it's gonna set it up. Make sure we don't have any bubbles. I got my Cricut set up at iron on, and it's ready. So I'm going to go ahead and send it to print. We are going to make sure that we mirror the image, and we are going to continue. And we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna set my A to C to 305 degrees, and it's going to be for 15 seconds. Our Cricut machine is done, so we're gonna go and with it at the heat press. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to preheat just a little bit so we can wait this a little bit faster. We have our vinyl ready to be applied. So I'm gonna get my shirt. I'm going to pull my shirt until my color drops and just make sure it's centered. It looks good. I'm just removing the length. It has a little bit, not that much. We are going to preheat to remove the wrinkles and the moisture. And since this is the first shirt, I'm heating up. I'm preheating for 15 seconds. So my shirt is good to go. And my design, it's good right there. Maybe just a little bit in. So we're just gonna go ahead and hit apply it, and this is going to be for 15 seconds. So we're just gonna peel it off. And there you have it. So we are going to make another t-shirt so you can see the difference. If you will add some text. On the first one I didn't want any text, but if you would like to add text, I'll show you how it will look. We are going to thread our t-shirt. So we are going to pull the shirt all the way until the color drops. I wanted 3 fingers on the collar, so I want it right there, and then yep, that'll be perfect right there. And this is the text that I'm going to add, and I'm going to add it right here. And this is ultra width, so it's a 290 for 12 seconds. We can do it. So we can do all at once. So we are going to cover this. We need a cover. They both are hat peel, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out. I had so much fun creating this design. I'm really happy with the result. So this is the way that it'll look if you with text. If you want to add more text, we can add it all around. So and now we're just gonna go ahead and add the spider to the sleeve. I have my pillow. We need to have a pillow and something underneath that is soft, so we have a firm pressure. We are going to preheat. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thank you.